Hello students, let us see this question. Okay, the upper half of inclined plane of inclination theta is perfectly smooth while the lower half is rough. So let us make the figure here. So this is the inclined plane and the angle is theta. Okay, just wait. So this is the inclined plane here and this angle is theta. So upper half is a smooth. So let us take the two halves are there. Okay, this upper half is a smooth and lower half is rough. A body starts from rest at the top and comes back to rest at the bottom if the coefficient of friction for the lower half is given by. So here you have to find the mu. So let us take the total distance is right. Upper half I am taking as this length is s and the lower half also I am taking as the length is s. The body has started from rest here. Okay, so I will make the three positions here. Okay, so let us make this is the position 1, this is the position 2 and this is the position 3. So as position here, right, and this position the speed is 0, it is given in the question, and finally also the block comes at rest, so here also the position is 0. So first I will try to write the equation between 1 and 2 I will work. So if I write the equation between 1 and 2, between position 1 and 2. So see, VA square minus UA square is equal to 2S if I apply here. So here V, so let us take the block will come here and here suppose it is moving with V. So VA square minus UA square is 0, 2A, right. A will be G sin theta, 2AS and the displacement is S. Right, I have taken downward direction as positive, so S will also be positive and G sin theta will also be positive. So I can say here I am getting VA square is equal to 2GS sin theta. So let us call this is equation 1. Now I can write the equation between 2 and 3 also. So let us write here equation between 2 and 3. Between the position 2 and 3. Alright, so once again between 2 and 3 this V will become U here. So once again I will write VA square minus UA square is equal to 2AS. Between position 2 and 3 the acceleration will be equal to C. Between 2 and 3 the mg sin theta will act in downward direction and since it is kinetic friction, so friction will act in upward direction, that is mg cos theta into mu, because mg cos theta will be normal and mu is suppose the coefficient friction. So this will the friction acting. So I can say since the block is moving in downward direction, so obviously the friction will be in upward direction, because ultimately the block has to come at rest here. Okay, and here it is having some speed. So obviously the net friction will act in upward direction, then only the block can come at rest at 3. So since the acceleration is here in upward direction, so obviously this force must be greater. So I can say here the acceleration here it will be in upward direction and that will be equal to, this must be greater, so its magnitude will be equal to, right, the direction will be upward and the magnitude will be equal to, right, mg cos theta mu minus, right, mg sin theta, because this force is greater, so the net force will be in upward direction, so this is the net force and divided by mass. So we will get here A is equal to, m will get cancel out, g cos theta mu minus g sin theta, right. So this is the acceleration in upward direction. So right, you can say this is the retardation here. Now I can write the equation between 2 and 3. So let us write, okay, so VA square minus UA square, right. So VA square, finally once again the velocity will become 0, because I am writing the equation between 2 and 3. So 3 is the final position and in this position it is coming at rest. So final position will be 0. So this is 0 here, minus UA square will be equal to this. So that is 2GS sin theta is equal to 2A. Okay, here see the A will be negative because it is in upward direction, so that will be negative of this. So minus G cos theta mu minus G sin theta and 2AS. The right, displacement is in downward direction only, so this will be positive. So S is coming this. See, right, this minus will get cancelled out. So first equation I have got this. Okay, and this I have utilized here, so I am omitting this one and I will continue from here. So let us do, okay, so all I need to solve this equation now. So see what equation I am getting. I am writing here 2gs sine theta is equal to 2s and the common out g cos theta mu minus g of sin theta, right? So see, I need to find the mu. So see, what, right, 2 will get cancelled out, the s is getting cancelled out here, the z will also get cancelled out. All right, so g will also get cancelled out, and the left hand side you will get sin theta is equal to, right, here you will get cos theta mu minus g is taken as common and getting cancelled out, so cos theta mu minus sin theta, right? So from here you will get the sin theta, you can take this side, so you will get here 2 sin theta is equal to cos theta mu. So from here I can say 2 tan theta is equal to mu. So this will be the answer. So let us see which option is coming. Mu is equal to 2 tan theta, so option D is correct. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.